Hey Hopi, what are you making?
I'm making 2 bean and vegetable soup.
Looks good.
Got cannelloni and Puerto Rican pink beans in it and vegetables.
Looks good, babe. So, just finishing up posting that new video, and Hope just made soup
For lunch.
and flatbread. It's gonna be good.
Okay, these are wild strawberries. They are ripe. See the little ripe ones?
Hope eat.
You pick them. You don't need a lot, just a taster tester. But that was part of the fun of walking along the road to go somewhere. Find some wild food and eat.
This is our backup spot for the night. We have a request in through Harvest Host at golf course. Put it in yesterday. Haven't heard nothing back, and we're about an hour and a half away from there. So found this spot for the night. If we don't get approved, and this is right up our alley. I mean, this is nice. I mean, we came in right there. This is the main road running over there. You can see the main road over there. A little bit of noise, but at nighttime, we're not gonna hear it. But this is the backup. Little Bit is loving it because she gets to run everywhere and do her thing. Be a dog and have her best life. Hope he's using her app and identifying weird plants and stuff again. So yeah, the van is looking filthy. She is filthy. Hasn't been washing about 3.5 weeks now. It looks like we went through a war zone on the front. There's more bug juice on the front of that vehicle when you can shake a stick at. It rained that night, and when I took the dog out first thing in the morning, we were swarmed by thousands of mosquitoes. It was nasty. It's called Teal Lake.
Teal Lake. There we go. So beautiful, eh?
Welcome to Christmas.
Christmas, Michigan.
The background Slade was playing, so it was almost Christmas.
Yeah. Fish.
We're gonna get gas up here.
All right.
That's the number.
Oh, that's big. Was that tribal or that's a community Kawhi Casino? Oh, nice. Camping picnic grounds. And that's probably the extent of Christmas time.
Turkeys and babies. There's little babies.
You don't have any breakfast. She's licking my hand. Oh, look at that. It's on the right side, right? How much battery you got?
Yep, it's got that old feel to it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is where we're staying tonight. Stanley Bar and Bowl, beer, burgers, and beverages. And we're right there. Nice little grass field for a little bit to run around. But yeah, this is where we're gonna be. Look at this. 4 lanes.
Fried pickle, tater tots, veal cheese.
Nice.
What do you get?
Pizza, tater tots, beer. It's laundry day. If you want a soda or anything, babe. It's on the back of the gas station.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, this was the 4th of July. The evening before, on the 3rd, we went to a firefighter charity meal and function, and it was
Sloppy Joe's, and then you had a choice of crisps and a cookie for your dessert. And they were doing raffles for the firefighters' calendars, and also for raffling several things off for charity for them.
Yep, everything was going to go for brand new equipment and for a run of new fire hydrants somewhere on the island. So that was pretty cool. And thanks to all the firefighters, it was a great evening.
The parade usually starts out with golf carts or the 4x4s. Then they have, behind them, you'll see a bunch of young kids on bicycles. In my day, we decorated it with crepe paper and all kinds of stuff, but the kids really can't drive their bikes as far as they have to nowadays. And they want to make sure everyone's safe. So they go, I'm not sure if they all of them finish it or not, but a lot of them who fall out, that's accepted. And then you'll see after them, you'll see floats from different organizations, the realtors, finance, you name it, they'll be having floats. And the theme this year, of course, was our 250th birthday. There's some really beautiful floats that they did. And there were some that were handcrafted and everything. My sister and brother-in-law got to be judges this year. I'm not sure if they're the only one, but that was a pretty good honor, I thought, for them. During the parade, the floats and the trucks and vehicles will throw out candy for the children. They'll run up to the edge of the street and pick it up. And what they don't pick up, the adults who are standing along the street will pick it up for throwing away, so that we keep the island clean.
Okay, we hope you liked this one. We had this extra footage from the 4th of July, so we thought we'd throw it on this video. We had a blast up there in Drummond, and now we're in, What state we in?
Stanley, Wisconsin.
We're in Wisconsin, so we're getting there slowly. But thanks for watching. Hope you like this, and we'll catch you on the flip side. See
Love
you guys.
You guys.